What's going on, everybody? Frankie Martinez here, part of the Martinez team at Iron Key Real Estate. And today we're in beautiful Kingsburg, California. Happy to showcase our newest listing at 1516 Avenue E. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is just under 1,700 square feet and has been fully renovated. This house, it's ready for its new owners. Come on in, let's take a look. Thank you so much, everybody, for taking the time to tour this amazing home with us today. And as always, if you're interested in this property, make sure you reach out to your local real estate agent today. And if you don't have a real estate agent, my team is always standing by and willing to help. Call, text, or email, we're here for you. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.